In this video, I'm going to show you how quick and easily you can use Preview on your iMac to combine your PDFs. And you can also use it to rearrange pages inside your PDFs. So to do that, I'm going to create 3 different Sudoku puzzles using Adudu's Sudoku Puzzle Creator tool. I'm going to do 3 different sizes, 4x4 ones, 6x6 ones, and 9x9 ones. So I want to title the puzzles with the size so we can keep them differentiated inside of our final version. So I'm going to add the 4x4 there. I'm only going to do 12 since this is just a little demonstration. And if you would probably want to do a lot more if you're going to do an actual book. So then I just click on Create and Download. Okay, I'm going to rename this 4x4 so I can keep the final versions here straight and know which is which. Now we're going to do 6x6s. Create and download that. I'll rename this one 6x6. Now we'll do a 9x9. And create and download. Okay. Name this one to 9x9. Okay, so now I have my 3 different PDFs. Now I'm going to open these in Preview. I'll start with opening my 4x4. And now I'm going to go File, Duplicate, to duplicate it. And this is going to be my final version. So then I save it. And now I have the final version here. So what you can do, so I've got my 3 4x4 pages and I want the 6x6 pages to start right here. So I'm going to go and grab my 6x6 and just drop it right under there. Boom. See how easy that is? And now I don't need the blank page or the answer page for here. I'm going to take my 2 6x6 answer pages and then I'm going to drag them all the way to the bottom. So now I have the 4x4 answer pages. And if you're going to do this for a book, you'd want to make sure you had the right number to completely fill up the page. So in this case, we'd want to have done 4 additional puzzles. And there's the 6x6s. So we've got the 4x4 pages, and then we've got the 6x6 pages. Now let's add in the 9x9 pages. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to grab my 9x9. I'm going to drag it in here. So now I have those puzzle pages. Now we're going to take the answer pages. Again, I'm going to delete this page. Just click on it and hit the delete button. Grab these 2 answer pages. And then all we got to do is drag them all the way to the bottom. And now I have a book that has 4x4 pages, 6x6 pages, answers with the 4x4 answers, the 6x6 answers, and then the 9x9 answers. If you are on an iMac and you haven't tried using Preview to combine PDFs, I really encourage you to do that because it's super easy and super fast, and it's an easy way to create unique puzzle books, or even any other kind of interior by combining different templates that you maybe already have to create something unique. So go out there and try that for your own self. And if you have any questions about how to do it, let me know. You can contact me through the comments from this video or in my Facebook group or on my website.